Snow tyres should just about hold up on that frozen lake, boss. As long as it stays frozen. Boss, did you just... I think a child built that. There you are in one piece. Never doubted you for a second. All right, boss. While we get everything set up, why don't you tell me which one of these speaks to you? Nice choice. I'll set it up with snow tires before you take it out.
Hey Paul, welcome to Blizzard Mountain. This is King of the Mountain, a tournament to crown Horizon's best driver on snow and ice. Since you've got more than enough fans already, we'll be awarding stars instead. Earn stars to progress through each round of the tournament. Win enough and you'll reach the Kingmaker. Win that and the crown is yours. In 200 yards, turn left. Turn left. Turn around when it is safe to do so. Calculating route.